Greetings all. My name is Rakesh Kumar. My team members are Sajal Agarwal and Romi Soni. Our project is House Price Prediction. We are making this project under the guidance of Mrs. Jayasukla ma'am. Now this is the introduction. Investment is a business activity on which most people are interested in this globalization era. There are several objects that are often used for investment. For example, gold, stocks and property. In particular, property investment has increased significantly. House price trends are not only the concern of buyers and sellers, but it also indicate the current economic situations. Now this is aim. The aim of this project is to predict the price of house using various attributes such as square feet area, location, number of bedrooms, etc. It will help clients to put resources without moving towards a broker. It solves the problem of both house seller and house buyer. Now these are some technologies and tools which we had used in our project. Python as a language, NumPy and Pandas for data cleaning, Matplotlib for data visualization, sklearn for model building, Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm as a IDE, Python Flask for HTTP server and other front-end languages such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now this is methodology or the process description, how our process or how we had made our project. First we took the data from Kaggle, then we converted into CSV file. After that we done data cleaning and feature engineering, and after that we performed the outlier detection and removal and model building using the three algorithms like linear regression, lasso regression, and decision tree model. After that, we checked the efficiency and we connected our front end with the back end. After that, our website is fully completed. Now we will dive deep into our the working. Here we have data from the Kaggle, which we can see it has 13,320 rows and 9 columns. Now here comes the data cleaning part. Here we are finding several null values rows present in our data set in each attribute. Now these null values we have to remove from our data set because these value can cause inconsistency while training our model. So here null values are such as location attribute have 1, size 16, bar 73. Now here comes the other uh, data cleaning part. We can see the total square feet attribute. It have the values in ranges like 2100 to 2850 like this. So we have to convert this in particular number because it will help further in one hot encoding. So we converted this in one value by taking the average of ranges. Now here comes the feature engineering. Feature engineering is the technique of improving the performance of our model by transforming its feature space, such as we created one feature called price per square feet because it helped to estimate the better understanding of price of house by knowing the what is the price of per square feet. So we created this by using the total square feet. Now here's the outlier detection and removal. Here we can see in the given graph the price of 2 BHK, which denoted by blue dot, and 3 BHK which denoted by plus green plus. So we can see 2 BHK, there are some houses of 2 BHK which have higher price than 3 BHK. So these are some outliers which can decrease efficiency of our project. So we have to remove this. Now here the chart which is created in Matplotlib library. So here we can see 99% of the outliers we have removed. There are 1 or less than 1% which not greatly affect our model. Now this is the comparison of our algorithms. We already told previously we used the linear regression lasso, and dysentery. Now, out of these algorithms, we got the linear regression with 0.84 best score. So, it has high score than other algorithm. So this is our backend part. This is the server.py program. It will have for get and post request. Uh, and second one is util.py. It will perform the routines for loading the artifacts such as the locations and predict the houses. And column.json contains the locations. Now here we can see the Postman application where we will check our the get and post calls. So here this is our server address, HTTP address. This is get location names. Now we can see here the output location, first block with Jayanagar, first page JP Nagar, and so on. So these are the location. That means our server is working fine. Now we will see how our website looks. So this is how it have the attributes area, BHK, bath and location, and user can choose accordingly according to his or her need and then estimate the price. Like this we estimated the price. After conclusion, in this project, the interface allows the user to give property details according to his or her requirement. The system make optimal use of data algorithms, linear regression, dysentery, and lasso regression. The linear regression algorithm is used to predict the house price according to the property requirement given by the customer with best score of 0.8183. The connectivity between the website and the model is done by using Python Flask. The main objective of using this prediction human physical calculation time and carry out the whole process at ease. Thank you.